Okay, so once you have opened again your perspective number one, let's do a save as here. So we're going to click save as, and we're going to name this perspective two, and then click save. Wait for it to finish saving, and now when it's saved, we're going to go ahead and continue this. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is basically do another perspective of this object below this other perspective. Okay. If you have your vanishing lines hard to see, like this one on the screen, you can just simply go to your layers and then click on colors and put it back to something that's easier on your eyes. Okay, so you can get this light gray over here and then you can see it. Okay, however, you might not see your drawing or a good color for your pen for. So what you wanted to do is you may want to change it to a different color. Okay, uh, that's a little bit darker. You can click any, okay, until you see a good contrast between your perspective and your vanishing lines. Now make sure your current layer is your vanishing lines. So we're gonna pick pen 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this corner line here. So this whole line here, we're gonna copy that. Okay. So we're gonna type in copy. And then since we already selected that one, we can just click here and we can just go straight down. Okay, go straight down, just go straight down somewhere in the middle of this triangle space. Okay, make sure it's straight down. Okay, this one is not straight down, so make sure it's straight down like that, then just place it. Right, so as you can see it's not in the middle, so I'm going to move it. So M, enter to move, select, enter. Okay, and then I'm going to just select it here on a clear area, click and then move it a little bit. Go make sure it's straight. It has that green line. Okay. Okay. So now that's just right. So I'm going to begin again drawing a grid. So we're going to do a line. We're going to click this start and then go to the vanishing point here on the left, and then vanishing point here to the right. Okay. Just like we did on perspective one. Right. Just like we did here, we're going to now uh, copy again. CO for copy. And let's copy this point and this point here. I mean this line and this other line here. Right? And we're gonna hold it here until we go up to the intersection here. Okay, and then press escape or enter. Now you can see that this line here did not touch this, okay, because this is a different perspective view. Okay, so what you can do is you can simply click on this one, make sure it extends, press escape, click on this one, and then use the grip to extend it further, and also the bottom one. This one is already touching this line, okay, but just make sure you can click on it and extend it again. Okay, press escape, and then we're gonna trim that. So TR, enter for trim, and simply click this line here, and click this line here, and this line here, and this line here. There you go. So those are the edges. Now we're gonna be back to line. So press escape first, and then type in L. Okay, there you go, and then click this to the vanishing point here. Press escape, press enter to repeat the line command. click here and to the vanishing point. There you go. So we're going to divide this line again. So we're going to divide div for divide, press enter. And then we're going to select the line. Okay. And then we want to do a block marker. So click block. And then the name of the block, I believe, if you click on this one, it's x2. X2. Does it say x2? So let's say x2. Enter. And then yes to align the object. And then simply press or type 3, enter. And there's our marker. Okay. So we're going to do a line again. And we're going to do an intersection here. And we're going to point to the vanishing point and then return back here to the intersection. And then we're going to go to the vanishing point to the left and then come back and point here. There you go. Now we don't need to divide this line because it was these two lines are the same gap as these two lines. So all we're going to do is draw a line from this intersection, oh, line from this intersection up here, and then we're going down. Okay, press escape. We're going to do another line, and then from this endpoint, we're going to go again and okay, and then trim the excess. So TR, okay, and then we're going to trim this and that. Yep. Then trim this, zoom in, and trim that. Also this one here, we're going to trim this little piece here and this piece here. Okay, and then we're going to erase. So press escape. I'm going to type in E for erase, press enter, and then click this one and that one. Okay. Oh, there's two here. Also, I want to erase this one here and this one, and then press enter to proceed with the erasure. We don't need also the markers here, so we're going to type erase, enter, and then select two. Okay. All right. So continue this until you have a perspective grid 3 by 3.